Hey, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, small fuzzy woodland creatures, indoor rodents. It's time for another lesson. Yay! And I know it's just me holding the phone, and I wish there was some better way we could do this. But right now it's just me in my car, and hopefully we're still avoiding the coronavirus. So I hope you are too, and I hope your families are doing well. Right now, we're still at Drakewell today. And I wanted to show you, we have the hit and miss engine in our shop called Sally. Okay. Sally is a 1.5 horsepower hit and miss engine, 1923. Nice little engine. It's actually what's called a throttle governed engine. It has a carburetor, it can adjust, and true hit and miss doesn't have that. I wanted you guys to see this monster. Check this out. That is a hit and miss engine. Okay. Now, on the side here, this was actually built by, we'll look it over here. There we go. Let me turn it so you can see it. Can we see it? There we go. The Superior National Supply Company. This will do 200 to 300 RPM. So picture this giant flywheel doing about 200 revolutions per minute. What is this whole engine for, you might ask? I'm glad you asked that. See, this is why we work well together, because you ask the right questions when I have the right answers. It's going to run this thing. And you're saying, but Mr. Parsons, what is that? This is a compressor. Yeah, I'm pointing at it. You can't even see my hand. This is a compressor. Look at this thing. This is a massive compressor. Look how big compared to my hand. Again, I'm standing next to it. I've got my hand on. It's huge. Now, imagine if we had this in our shop. Yeah, we'd never run out. Hell, we'd be having a ball with this one. It's an amazing piece of equipment. And again, it's portable. It's on skids. This was designed to be pulled out into the woods to help run equipment. And again, I'm sorry, I keep staring at myself over here and not the camera. It kind of trust me, this messes me up when I watch these later. But yeah, this is the compressor right here. I'll come around and take a look at it. Right in here is the piston for the compressor. And again, look how big this piston is. A modern car piston. Okay? For example, my Ford Focus is about the size, a little bit bigger than like a 50-cent piece. Maybe almost to $1, like a silver dollar, like an old silver dollar, not those weird ones today. This is about as big around as those, can't even think of what they are now. Orange little balls that you eat. They come in a little big jar of them, and I'm drawing a blank. And if you know what those are, put them in the comment section below. Thank you. I've always wanted to say that. That's funny. So, but that whole jar would fit in here with some room to spare. And we'd have those orange puffballs to eat. But yeah, we come around. Look at the belts that are on this. Look at how this all works together here. You know, it's amazing when you look at this equipment. When they built these things, this right here, look at this. This is just let me stand away for a second. That's the radiator. Look at this thing. It's huge. And this was built to be hauled out into the woods and to work wherever they needed it to work. So again, this is an amazing piece of equipment. I wanted you to see this because, by the way, this was built in Springfield, Ohio, if you didn't know that. How did I know that? Because it's written right there on that placard right there. Makes me sound good and feel a little more intelligent today. So, and by the way, this huge machine, this massive machine, the large machine, Russians look at the machine and say, this is big machine. Has a teeny little spark plug right here that runs the whole thing. If you get a chance to come up to Drakewell this summer or any summer, I recommend it. If you're in the oil and gas industry, this should be like our pilgrimage that you have to make once in a lifetime to come up here and see all this stuff. We will do some more lessons coming up. Again, at some point, maybe we'll go back to school. I'm hoping we do. And if we do, I'll see you then. And until then, we'll see you on YouTube here. Hey, everybody stay healthy, stay safe. Toodles.